Hello, this is Ung-hee Lee from National Magnetic Resonance Facility at Medicine, who is the developer of NMRFAM-SPARKY. And actually, Fitsky Labs, we sent a YouTube video about making strip plot postscript publishable quality ones, and that intrigued me to develop a new tool to format bunch of different postscript in the uniform manner. So I would like to show you how that works, and then maybe suggest a little bit of easier way of doing the similar stuffs that Nick presented. So I already opened the Sparky and the strip plot of a protein of interest for generating strip plots. As you can see, I actually made a strip a little bit wider. One of the reasons is that I want to show the ticks for the axis. So if you just use PT tool to generate the postscript right away from the strip plot, it will not have axis labels and ticks. So you want to enable it in the strip plot by typing VS. You can see that axis panel is enabled for one strip, and you want to replicate this thing to the other strip of the same kind experiment by type SV. So it's very simple. Type SV after you type VS. You can turn off by VS again, and vice versa. If you want to apply disable setting for everything, then you can just type SV again. So we want to enable it for now, so we type VS and SV again, and then next one is HNCACB actually, and I like to enable it for this kind of experiment again. So type VS and SV. So you can see that all the strip in the strip plots are having a axis panel like this. Then what you want to do is just type PT. So you can see little PT here, and then print CBCACRNA's strip here, and then you can write a postscript file by just click save button here. Let's say we wanna use maybe one.ps, and it is saved. Let me open it for you, how it looks like. So this is the postscript file generated. So it looks fine. So I would like to make other postscripts next to each other, and then we'll name it 2.ps, 3.ps, and so on. So I'm just gonna type PT again while selecting this one. You can see that view here has been changed to something else, and then I'm just gonna keep the same configuration and save it to 2ps, and then move on to the next guy and save as 3ps, and then fourth one, then gonna save it as 4ps. We have 4 postscripts files, and I'm gonna show you the second one. Looks like this. Third one, it looks like this. So if you want to apply the user settings for postscript, there is a tool called Format Postscripts, which is the new one that I just uploaded today. Today is October 2nd, 2019. So if you download the latest version, then you can utilize this feature. So look here, the two-letter code for uniform formatting of multiple postscript is F capital P. So format postscripts. You can use add button here to add multiple postscripts, and then you can apply same settings for all of them. So in this case, we are dealing with multiple strip plots postscripts, so it will be much easier for us to make it all uniformly changed in the same manner. And also there are available fonts listed here, so you can choose one of them of your liking and then put that in access font, banner font, and label font here. And you can change any font family that you want to choose from your font family. So I'm gonna add postscripts that we already generated in the list directory we already made, 1, 2, 4. So you can select multiple files by holding a left shift key or left control key. So if we just expand this a little bit, then you can see that they are all added like this. And if you click one of them, then it will show the current setup like this. So I think according to the Nick Fitzky's patch, major thing has been changed was like removal of top axis scale. So you can change it like this, typing false, and right axis scale like this, and well, anything that can be configurable will be just applied here. Let's say I'm gonna use major tick outset to 24, minor tick outset for 16. Well, I want to just make the font size a little smaller for axis, then I can put 10. Banner font size can be changed to 10. It's not really a big deal though, but they can be changed like this. Then and then you just hit apply, then they will be changed. Then finished. As you can see, there is no label for top and right because I changed the setting to false. So likewise, you can change it, such as you wanna make false for top tick and right tick, then hit apply. You see that they are gone like this. If you want to change the axis font size a little bigger or smaller, or other font could be used. Let me see. Let's say Noto Serif. Apply. You can see that label font has been changed like this.